Assalamu alaikum viewers. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad. Government of the Punjab Service and General Administration Department Section Service announced latest news update, latest notification. It's about transfer order of some majority officers. Mr. Muhammad Aslam Shahid, Director General Child Protection Welfare Bureau Punjab City on 25 Pakistan leave is hereby transferred with the immediately effect and directed to report to Service General Administration Department Government of the Punjab for the further order. Rao Muhammad Akhtar, PMS XPCS BS 19 Scare Director General Parks and Historical Authority Saiwal is hereby transferred with immediate effect and posted as Director General Child Protection and Welfare Bureau Punjab under Section 9 of PCS Act 1974. Vice Mr. Muhammad Aslam Shahid PMS BS 19 Scare transferred. Mr. Shahid Mahmood PAS BS 19 Scares Officer Deputy Commissioner Saiwal is hereby assigned the additional charge of the post. Director General PH is Saiwal in addition to his own duty till further orders. Mr. Muhammad Farooq Haider PMS BS 19 Scare Director Punjab Small Industry Corporation PSIC is hereby transferred with the immediate effect and posted as Additional Secretariat IPC and I&C Wings of S and GAD Government of the Punjab against a vacant post. Mr. Farhat Hussain Farooq PMS XPSS BS 19 Scare Additional Secretary School Education Department Government of the Punjab is hereby transferred with the immediate effect and post as General Manager Operation Tourism Development Corporation Punjab TDCP against a vacant post. Miss Amina Tahira Zaidi PMS BS 18 Scare Officer on Special Duty Service and General Administration Department Government of the Punjab is hereby posted as Additional Secretariat Forestry Verifier and Fisher Department Government of the Punjab with immediate effect under Section 9 of PCS Act 1974 against a vacant post. Mr. Muhammad Akbar PMS BS 18 Scare Officer Additional Secretariat Admin Transport and Musternity Department Government of the Punjab President attending PPG course at PMPDD is hereby transferred with the immediate effect and directed the report to Service General Administration Department Government of the Punjab for further orders. Another page of notification. Ms. Maham Asif Malik, Deputy Secretary Establishment Service and General Administration Department Government of the Punjab hereby transferred with the immediate effect and post of Additional Secretary Administration Transport and City Department Government of the Punjab under Section 9 PCS Act 1974. Vice Mr. Muhammad Akbar PMS BS 18 Scare transferred. Miss Marhaba Nemat 18 Scare Officer awaiting post in the Service and General Administration Department Government of the Punjab is hereby posted as Deputy Secretary Establishment Service and General Administration Department Government of the Punjab with immediate effect. Vice Miss Maham Asif Malik 18 Scare transferred. Mr. Abdul Latif 18 Scare Officer Administrator General Bus Stations Metropolitan Corporation Lahore is hereby transferred with the immediate effect and post as Additional Secretary Local Government Communication Development Department Government of the Punjab under Section 9 of PCS Act 1974 against the vacant post. Mr. Imtiaz Ali 18 Scare Officer Deputy Secretary School Education Department Government of the Punjab is hereby transferred with the immediate effect and his service are placed at the disposal of Director General Punjab Food Authority PFA on deputation basis for further adjustment. Miss Ifatul Nisa 18 Scare Officer Deputy Secretary Janabel S and GAD Government of the Punjab is hereby transferred with the immediate effect and post as Deputy Secretary Youth Affairs and Sport Department Government of the Punjab. Vice Miss Ghazala Kanwal PMS BS 70 Scare transferred. Mr. Fahim Mukhtar BS 18 Scare Officer Deputy Secretary I&C S and GAD is hereby assigned the additional charge of the post of Deputy Secretary Developments I&C Wings of SAGAD in addition to his own duty till further orders. Ms. Ghazala Kamal BS 70 Scales Officer, Deputy Secretary, Youth Affairs and Sports Department, Government of the Punjab is hereby transferred with the immediately effect and posted as Additional Deputy Commissioner General Hushab under Section 9 of PCS Act 1974 against a vacant post. Mr. Awais Nawaz, PMS ex PSS BS 19 Scale Officer, Additional Secretary, Culture, Information and Culture Department, Government of the Punjab, is hereby assigned the additional charge of the post of Additional Secretary, Admin, Information and Culture Department,